right, friends, second activity that I'd like to go over is the Khan Academy exercise, interpret a quadratic graph. So I'm going to go ahead and read through this problem, and hopefully this will help us out on how to read these graphs. So Sarah kicked a ball in the air. The function f models the ball's height in meters as a function of time, in seconds as Sarah kicked it. All right, so before I even look at the options, I'm just going to kind of look at this graph to see what happens. All right, at the very beginning, it looks like the ball was at a height of 1 meter. And then here we go. It looks like the ball went up, 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 until about, let's take a look at what time this is. This is a little over 1.5 seconds. At 1.5 seconds, it's at its peak. And that's kind of around 14 meters. And then after that a little bit after 1.5 seconds, the ball drops down. And then finally it hits the ground after maybe like 3.5 seconds. So ball starts right here, goes up, reaches a maximum height here, and then finally it goes down. So which of these statements are true? First statement, the ball moved upwards for about 3.5 seconds. Well, no, that's not true. At 3.5 seconds, yeah, the ball moved up, but it also went down as well. So no, nice try. That is not one of our answers. All right. Next one. Oh, no, didn't mean to click you. The ball started moving upwards after about 1.75 seconds. Well, no, after 1.75 seconds, the ball wasn't moving upwards. It was moving downwards at that time. Nice try, Khan Academy, not today. C, the ball hit the ground after about 3.5 seconds. Well, hey, that seems about right. Went up, went down. That happened in about 3.5 seconds. Yes. And then finally, the ball hit the ground after 1.75 seconds. No. That is where it reached its maximum height. After 1.75 seconds, it's at its tallest point. It's not on the ground. So the only one of these that is true is this third one. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do one more. All right, so the function g models the number of mosquitoes and millions of mosquitoes in a certain area as a function of rainfall. So I'm going to read this graph before I even look at the statements, just to kind of see what we're dealing with. All right, so after it has not rained, it looks like there are no mosquitoes. And then finally, as it rains, after about 2 centimeters of rainfall, we reach our peak of mosquitoes, 4 million mosquitoes. That is a lot of mosquitoes. But then it is too wet for the mosquitoes. We start decreasing the number of mosquitoes until finally, once it's rained 4 centimeters, there's too much rain for any mosquitoes. So we start at 0 mosquitoes, we go up, and then we go back down. All right, let's start reading through these answers. Which of these statements are true? Select all that apply. The largest possible number of mosquitoes is 2 million mosquitoes. Well, let's take a look at our largest possible number. Well, no, once we hit our peak here, that is at 4 million mosquitoes. So no, that is not true. Hey, next one, the largest possible number of mosquitoes is 4 million mosquitoes. Yep, highest number of mosquitoes that we have is 4 million of them. Nice work. All right, more rainfall always relates to less mosquitoes. Well, no, that's not true. It's raining more and our mosquitoes are increasing, but then it reaches a point where it decreases. So no, this isn't always decreasing or always increasing. More rainfall always relates to less mosquitoes. No, that's not true. And then finally, more rainfall relates to less mosquitoes as long as the rainfall is less than 2 centimeters. All right, so we are looking at the rainfall being less than 2 centimeters. Well, when the rainfall is less than 2 centimeters, well, that actually means we're going up during that part of the graph. Between 0 and 2, we're going up here. So more rainfall relates to less mosquitoes as long as we are less than 2 centimeters. No, that's not true. When we're less than 2 centimeters, more rainfall means more mosquitoes. More rainfall, more mosquitoes. So that is not true. The only answer is B. All right, I hope that helps you with the interpret a quadratic graph questions. Please feel free if you get stuck, send me a screenshot. I can help in any way possible. Have a wonderful Tuesday.